good day, fears. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sesadewusi, Tantolon, a poet, writer, and honey merchant. Yes, meet me again. If I say good afternoon, to some people, it is good evening. If I say good morning to some people, they will say it is good night. You see, on this planet we are. Daytime here we have Nigeria, is evening time to some people in other country. So what I will just say is good day to you, everybody. Here you meet me again. First of all, I want to thank those of you that you are patronizing me. You are buying my books on honey. You are buying my books on honey. You are the people that are keeping me in business. I thank you very much. Thank you. Those of you that you are subscribing to my channel, many people are calling me, Papa Oloyin, I have subscribed to your channel. I have subscribed to Papa Oloyin Original Television. I have subscribed to your channel, Papa Oloyin Original Television. Many people are calling me, they have subscribed to my channel. I thank you. I thank you all. Those of you that you are subscribing to my channel, God will surely help you in all your undertakings by the special grace of God. All of you will have a laughing time in your time. You will not cry by the special grace of God. All your children will succeed. All of them will be successful in all their undertakings. I thank you all again. Thank you. I thank you. Because when you put market in a place and people don't patronize you, it's one thing. But when you advertise something and people are rushing you, it's another thing. Then some people, they are sending messages that when they call me, I don't pick calls. Please, I want people, I want to tell you, I still want to use this medium to tell you that many people are calling me. Some people, when they come personally to see me, I cannot be picking call in their presence. That is why I advise you, if you have message for me, send your message to my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 0054749455. Listen again, 0054749455. You will see it at the bottom of this channel. Then always subscribe. You will see subscribe at the bottom of this video. Always subscribe to this channel, Baba Oloyin Original Television. Those of you that bought a book on hypertension, I mentioned something like hypertension in this book in my last video. That if you want to cure hypertension, no matter how the hypertension was stubborn, if you have a bottle of original honey, a bottle of lime juice, the remaining one is the one that I put inside this book, and many people are buying it. Then when I talk of manpower, I put it inside this book. If you go to customary court, if you see and hear the way people are divorcing themselves, this was not so in the olden days. But now what we are eating is what is killing our erection. Yes, if you buy this book, what you can use for manpower is inside this book. I taught you on my video, but to know everything, okay? When you order for this book, you will be able to see it very well. Yes. Some people, they are not in Nigeria. Some are in London, Canada, Japan, Germany, Ghana, Togo, all of these African countries. Some are in faraway countries. I'm happy to tell you that I have 2 books on PDF now. Healing Power of Honey. And we have Healing Power of Honey. And this one, Honey as a Medicine. Honey as a Medicine. We put only 2 books on PDF. The rest one is locally now. Our people in Nigeria, they are enjoying that one. When we are ready for that one, when we put it on PDF, we will inform you again. But the current one that we put on PDF is Honey as a Medicine. And the other one, Healing Power of Honey. If you pay to the account. If you ask for our account number, we give you, you pay. Within 30 minutes or 1 hour, we forward the book to your email or Gmail. We do send it to some people who are using WhatsApp. So when you send it to your WhatsApp, you can see it there. You put it to WhatsApp people. Some people are using WhatsApp. Then we send the book to you on your WhatsApp. Then you see it there. But if you are using Gmail or email, you can send it to there. Even when your phone gets lost, you retrieve it back. Your message will still be attached there. Yes, if it is email or Gmail, even if it is WhatsApp, it will remain there. Thank you very much again. I thank you. Today I want to talk about hatred. Hatred. If somebody, witches and wizards, when they want to wicked person, when somebody is sleeping in the midnight, they will wet the body of that person with shit. So when in the daytime, when he wake up early in the morning, anywhere the person, he or she, anywhere he goes, people will begin to hit the person. If you go to market, he's going there to sleep. If he's working in the ministry or company, sooner or later they will sack the person because there's hatred in the person, or the body of the person. Then witches and wizards, they used to put mark on somebody's head like this. Anywhere he or she goes, they will hate the person. They will put the mark here. If somebody promised to give you money, when you go there, you will complain because he has already seen the mark on your body. Some people, they will leave this country, go to other country. They will go there to suffer. If you say landlord at Mushin hate you, you park out from that house, you go and rent another house at Ikotun or whatever. The witches and wizards will follow you. If witches and wizards are tormenting you in Nigeria, then you pack your load, you go London. Witches and wizards in London will still be tormenting you because they will see the signs on your body. Then they will know that, oh, this is our mate. You must continue disturbing him here. God will not disturb you. Witches and wizards will not disturb you. I get a little something that I can say is a remedy or solution to remove hatred. If they put mark on your body, that is the one that is warning you. I get a solution. If you use it after 2 weeks and you don't see any result, then you call me. I will know what to do next. Everybody knows this one. Not to prolong this matter. Everybody knows this one. It's a vegetable. It's a bitter leaf. Bitter leaf. Yes, this is bitter leaf. Yoruba call it a wuro. This is bitter leaf. But you know it for eating. If somebody is sick, if they prepare vegetable of this bitter leaf vegetable for the person, if they happen to take it with food like this, he will be able to eat well. Because it contains iron. Yes. And you know what it is when we are very young, when we were very small, we are very young, when we are in the primary school days, if our mother prepare this thing for us, we like it. Because when you can't eat, you'll be able to eat well. But I want to tell you today that it is not only for cooking. If you go to Igbo shop, they will prepare this type of soup. Yes. Igbo people, they like this type of this thing. They like this soup very well. Yes. They like this soup, bitter leaf. They like it. They like to cook it very well. They know it well, more than any other tribe in this country. But I want to tell you that apart from eating it as vegetable, you can use it to remove hatred from your body. You can use it to remove bad luck from people. I will tell you how to do it. Just be watching me. This is bitter leaf. Yes. You do like this. Yes. Please, I want you to pay attention to me. You go to market, you go there to sleep. You're a mechanic, carpenter, upholstery, and all these things. when you go out, you go to shop, when you want to come back, for you to borrow money to come back. You borrow, Mr. Borrow. They know you for borrowing. When you close, you say, Mama, the guy want to see you. You say you want to borrow money again. It's not good. When you go to shop, you're supposed to make money. Not that you go there to sleep. Not that you go there to do talk. Yes. Not to go there and gossip. Because when money is not coming in your own shop, you will be gossiping. If you see Mr. Gossiper or Mrs. Gossiper, it is when there is no money for them. When your customers are busy with you, you will not get time to gossip around. Yes. I think you will be watching me. I told you, are all paying attention to this one now. I've talked about these books. They are on PDF now. We can send it to you. This is bitter leaf. Watch me. This is water. Yes. Water, H2O in chemistry. This is water. This is water. Drinking water. See. I will not hide anything for you. I am giving you free. This is bitter leaf. See. As you see bitter leaf like this. This is salt, cooking salt. If you see cooking salt. This is cooking salt and water that I added to the bitter leaf now. See. See. You see it, you do it. When you go to your shop, by the special grace of God, those of you that are complaining that when you go to shop, you always sleep. You don't see buyers to buy your market. Even the goods people are selling for 15 naira. You want to sell it for 30 naira. People still don't patronize you. They go to where they will buy. They go to other place. When you do this thing, you will thank God. See. See. I think you are watching me. You know it's making foam. Yes. Yes. It's foam. Those who used to cook bitter leaf, they know that when you do this thing, it will foam. It will foam. Yes. 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 It will foam. Please, if you don't see clearly or don't understand, you will play back the video. You play back, then you will understand me properly. Yes. If I don't want to give it out, I will not mention it. You know the one of hypertension and diabetes. I say you people should buy the book before you know how to complete it, how to complete the preparation. But if I want to give you something, I give you free of charge. I give you with my whole heart. See, you know it's foaming now. It's foaming. Yes. To stop the foam now, you will do like this. Yes. This is palm oil. You know, cooking palm oil. That you people used to fry things, or you want to cook your soup. Do like this. Yes. Yes. Then you continue like this. You see. You see. Yes. 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 See. See. Yes, see. I'm now removing the shrubs. Yes. Yes. If you do this thing, when you go to office, you are working in the ministry or you are working in the company, it is when you start play that supervisor will come. When you are working, they will not come. It's part of the work of those witches and wizards to make you not to be reckoned with. So when you do this thing, you will see now. Some people, when they enter Mato, they don't know each other. They will blame themselves from one bus stop to the other or to the last place where the whole passenger will come down. See now. See. I think you are watching me. See. After you have done this now, this is honey. This is honey. Yes. Yes. You see this one now? It's complete now. To complete it finally, you go and add perfume. Any perfume that have a very good smell, you join it together. When you join the perfume to you add perfume. The only thing I never put inside is perfume. Yoruba call it lofinda. You put a perfume that you know that when you sit down, people will like you. There are some perfume when they prepare it, you have to turn the head off before you can see the content. Then buy that up of perfume, join it together. Early in the morning, if you want to go out, if you want to go outside, after you have added the perfume, then you rub your face. If you do use it like this, it will work. But if you add perfume, that one will make it look better and make your body to look attractive. And then people will like to patronize you and like you. See. You rub your body and hand like this. Go about your business. Yes. Anywhere you go, people will like you and you'll be attracted to people. Try it and give me big feedback. You can call me on my WhatsApp number. You can send your message, all your messages. Send your messages to my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 0054749455. Listen again, 0054749455. My other line, you can still try the other line, but that one is not on WhatsApp. 0099152118. Again, 0099152118. But it's advisable to send your messages to me on WhatsApp because I have customers who used to come and ask me for one advice or the other. Some people, when they come, I do tell them, I don't know this thing. Go to a pastor or a far. I don't know this thing. If at the time I know, I used to tell them. Maybe they said they send message or they call, I didn't answer. If some people are with me, it's not very polite for me to leave them and be answering calls. If the calls I receive every day is more than 300 calls, I'm telling you, because those who subscribe to my channel and call me every day, what do you also watch my channels? You know, people are calling every day. The programs, the videos I loaded on the YouTube, more than 30 or 40. So anytime these people are watching, those people are calling. Those who have watched before, they want to call. But it's not polite for me to be in presence of a customer, then be attending calls. And when I ask my personal assistant to answer calls, they will say, this is Baba they want to talk to. It's Baba. So those of you who want me to be attending to you, I think Nigerian time between 8 and 10. You can talk on WhatsApp between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. Nigeria time. Then we'll be able to relate to each other. But for afternoon, when people, they are calling me, they are visiting my place. Yes, I'm a small boy, but I thank God for what He's doing in my life. Those who have patronized me before, they know me. If I don't know anything, I will tell you, I don't know it. If they call me on phone, Baba, I have this problem, I say, look, I don't do it. I don't know it. Yes. That's my own policy. You can send message to me on my WhatsApp. That one is very easy for me. I will reply you. All the complaint, all the things you want to talk, send it to me. I will be able to treat it one by one tonight. But for you to be calling, then I want to tell you, I cannot post on you. If you go to courier office or post office, the weight of this thing, when they wait for you, they can say a bottle of honey will cost you 30,000 before you dispatch it to America or London. And we are selling honey. So when we add our own price to it, you know how much it will be. How many people can afford that one? That is why I said I don't want to be selling honey. I can't. You don't dispatch honey. But if you want my book, they are on PDF. At least the two books are on PDF now. Even Power of Honey and Honey as a Medicine. I can send that one to you within 30 minutes after payment. Yes. Just send the account to Babaolu Regina. Then the account number, I forward it to you. You pay. Immediately I see it. You send the book to you on your WhatsApp or Gmail or email. You will see it. Then you do it. By the special grace of God, you will see. Those of you who can do this thing, you do this preparation, you start using it as from tomorrow, any other thing. You go to shop, you will never witness those moments in your shop again. And those of you that are in other country, London, America, that was sending our video to those in Nigeria, I thank you all again. God will help you in all your undertakings. Yes, some people, when they do come to my office, they tell me that, look, it was my brother in America that sent the video to me. Some will come, they will tell me that it was from Ghana that they sent the video to them. I thank all of you. And those of you that you are in other country, by the special grace of God, God will bless you wherever you are. And all the businesses you are doing will be progressing in it by the special grace of God. All of you that you are in abroad, you will come back with a smiling face by the special grace of God. I still thank you. All my people, Igbo Grams, Igbo Grammar School, Old Student Association, those of you that are promoting this video too, I thank you all. Yes, those of you in other countries that you are spreading this my work. Some are in other countries, they are sending this video to people in other countries through WhatsApp, through this other means. They are just promoting this thing. God will also help you. I thank you again. God will help every one of us. In Jesus' name. Remain blessed. I'm Mr. Adewusi, Babaolu Regina, Honey Merchant, the poet and the writer. Always subscribe to my channel. Always subscribe to my channel, Babaolu Regina Television, so that you'll be hearing the latest information from me. God bless you all.